Energy Principal Secretary Alex Washira says plans are underway to increase the installed geothermal capacity from the current 985 megawatts to more than 1,400 megawatts by 2029. Washira says a number of initiatives are being implemented to expand renewable power generation.
Kenya has about 10,000 megawatts of untapped geothermal energy, primarily in the Great Rift Valley. Several measures are being employed to harness the geothermal energy to anchor Kenya's target of achieving 100% renewable energy by the year 2030.
We are hoping and we are acting very fast to ensure that by the time we are hosting this conference, we should be in the range of 1,400 to 1,500 megawatts of geothermal into the country.
Currently, geothermal accounts for a significant of electricity generated in Kenya.
Lowering transmission and generation system losses helps in lowering our bills and also builds about what we call energy efficiency, because we can generate, and when we are generating, we are still losing it. So the more we conserve, the better for us.
He was speaking at a breakfast meeting with stakeholders on the start of formal preparations for the World Geothermal Congress to be held by Kenya in 2029.
As we begin preparations now in earnest for the WGC 2029, we take note that the Congress is not just any other meeting. It's going to be a convention of minds, vision and resolve. It reflects the growing cognition that geothermal is not only a key part of the global energy.
It is very important for us not just to sell the technicalities of the Congress, but to sell the experience. What will we experience when we come, or when our visitors come to Kenya? The fourth thing, first of all, of course, it increases international arrivals. The delegates that will come, whatever number they are, they normally be accompanied by researchers, aides, security, and all kinds of people. So you'll expect probably around 6,000 people who will be visiting our country, and they'll be filling up our hotels and our other facilities.
The World Geothermal Congress brings together researchers, policymakers, and industry leaders to review global progress in geothermal energy and set priorities for the next cycle. Alanauko, Lunchtime News.